Hey guys, Aisha here, and spring is here. So I was doing a little spring cleaning and I found a few clothing items that I wanted to talk about because I was cleaning up this mess that I still need to finish cleaning up. I have a lot of clothes and I like to go through them every so often and give a bunch of stuff away and try to figure out and organize the stuff I want to keep. But I found a few pieces that I thought was interesting because I've never worn them. They still had tags on them, but for some reason I was like dying to get them, and I bought them and I just haven't yet gotten around to wearing them. And some of these pieces I've had for a year plus, some of them for like 2 years, and I just kind of forgot about them. So anyway, in this video you will see me trying these clothes on for the first time. Yeah, a lot of the stuff I didn't even try on. I just kind of bought it and just immediately put it in the closet for one reason or another. But yeah, so today I tried it on for the first time, and yeah, so let's get started. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. Yeah, let's get to it. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is this dress, because when I first saw this dress I absolutely fell in love with it because I've never had a dress like this before ever, and I've never seen anyone have a dress like this before. It was very unique and I thought it was very, very cute, which I still love it. It's very hippie chic and also a little complicated, but I really love this dress and it's very good quality. I got this from Lulus, of course, and this is a size small, and I bought this at least a year ago, but I've never worn this dress. I've tried it on a couple of times right when I got it just to try to figure out how I was going to wear it, because as you can see it has a very deep V, and it's like it's a very deep V. Yeah, but I love this dress. My daughter said that it shows off a lot of skin. So yeah, it does show off a good bit of skin. So I honestly think either I'm going to sew up the straps a little bit, shorten them a little bit, or either sew up the V a little bit, because that's too much for me. But I haven't decided yet. I might just shorten the straps rather than shorten the V, because they'll do the same thing pretty much. But I love this dress. It's very, very flowy. It's very cool, especially for the summer. So it's not hot or anything. And when I did the video with me trying all the stuff on, it was like 80 degrees and I was putting all these clothes on, and they were all very cool. Like I wasn't hot in any of them. So yeah, that's one of the reasons I bought this dress, is because you really don't have to wear a bra with it or anything, and it's very, very flowy and cool for the summer. So I remember that's why I bought it. One of the reasons. The main reason was because it was really unique and really, really cute. But yeah, I got this from Lulus, which meant it was not very cheap. It was like, it cost a good bit. But that is one of the reasons why I haven't worn it yet, is because I need to alter it, because I was a little self-conscious about wearing it because I didn't want anything spilling out. So that's why I haven't worn it yet. I need to fix it. So the next dress I got is another dress from Lulus, and I got this a while ago as well. I think I got this at least a year ago too, and it's this really pretty blue dress. It's gorgeous, gorgeous dress. I love this dress. And in the video, that was me trying this dress on for the first time. Like when I bought this dress I did not try it on at all, and I really should have. But this dress is amazing. I love this dress. It's like my favorite one out of all of the stuff I have over here. And this is also a small from Lulus. And I bought this dress because I go to this charity dinner every year, once a year, and that's like the one time I really dress up, really dress up. So that was like the main reason why I bought this dress. When I saw it online, I thought it would be perfect for that. So I bought it like a year ago to wear it to the dinner that's coming up this year, and I think the dinner is in May. I believe it's in May, maybe in June, but it's during the summer. But yeah, this dress is really pretty as well, and it does have a lining in it, so you can't see through it or anything. And the back is crossed, the straps, and they are adjustable straps. And I really like this dress. The middle is very form-fitting. Like for me it fit perfectly. but it's definitely snug. It almost feels like boning, but there's no boning in this, but it almost feels like there is when you try it on, when you have it on. Like, it feels really, I like it because it feels like it's tightening everything in. And I am 5'2", just so you know. And this dress is beyond floor length on me. So I think even with heels on, it will still be too long for me. But I'm going to try it anyway. Like in the video, I was kind of like holding it up as I was walking so I didn't trip. I did trip a couple of times. But yeah, in the video, I wasn't wearing shoes or anything like that either. So that you can see the actual length of the dresses. But yeah, this is beyond floor length. But I love this dress. It's so flowy and so nice. And I'm really glad I got it. And the next one, this dress is from Fashion Nova. And when I saw this dress, I absolutely loved it. I fell in love with it. And I had to get it. And I got this a long time ago too. Again, at least a year ago. And this is, what size is this? This is a small as well. But I did not try this dress on when I got it because it was really complicated. And it actually took me like 10 to 15 minutes to put this dress on in the video too. So yeah, that's why I didn't try it on when I got it. And why I haven't worn it yet, because I just didn't feel like messing with it. But I'm glad I finally tried it on because I do really, really like this dress. And I love the color. And I think this is the only dress I have in this color. Only piece of clothing I have in this color. But yeah, as you can see, it's a little much to figure out how to put this thing on. But I got it eventually. Because it has a cross back, and then it goes, your arm goes through some of the holes, and then the back is crossed, and then it goes like around your neck. It's a lot. But I really like this dress. And I like that it's yet another dress you don't have to wear a bra with. So it's great for the summer. And it does have like a little short lining in it, so you can't see your underwear or anything like that. It's not as long as the actual dress, but it's like a skirt length lining, like a little mini skirt length lining. And the top is lined as well, so you can't see anything through there either. And then the bottom has like slits, and then it's sheer. But yeah, I really, really like this dress as well, and I'm glad I finally tried this on so that I can wear it this summer and I know how it fits. The next couple of pieces are just these two skirts I got from Boohoo.com. I absolutely love these skirts, and I got these a few months ago. And they're just little skater skirts, one in white, one in black. But I thought they were really cute, and I have no idea why I haven't worn them yet. This one, they both still have tags on them. I have no idea why I haven't worn these yet. I don't know. I've forgotten a lot about a lot of the stuff I have. I'm just like busy trying to keep it organized. Which is why I rarely go in the mix. I kind of just keep putting on the same things over and over again, which makes no sense really. But anyway, the last piece, or pieces, are this one piece, which I got from Lulus. And it's just a little off the shoulder, purple gray sort of top. I love the bell sleeves. I know I tried this on at least once, but I have not worn it anywhere yet. But I absolutely love this top. And it's very stretchy at the top, but it stays in place. And this is a small as well. Everything is a small. Or a size 4. If it's from Boohoo, it's size 4. Which is still small. But yeah. So it's very stretchy at the top, but it stays in place. Like, it doesn't slip down or anything like that, like most off the shoulder tops or anything. It stays exactly where you put it. And I love the bell sleeves. I thought it was really unique. And I love that the bottom is snapped. So you can just snap it and unsnap it when you need to go or anything. So yeah, I really love this. And again, I have no idea why I haven't worn it yet. I just haven't. And I wore that with these jeans I got from Fashion Nova. And these are a size 3. And I think these were on sale. I got these because these look really cool. And they were different from any other jeans I have. The patterns on them. And I just haven't worn them. I have no good reason why. But But they're actually really, really good jeans. And I actually got these on sale, I believe, for a pretty decent price. I know they were definitely on sale when I got them. So, yeah. But yeah, they're really cute jeans. I don't know why I haven't worn them yet. I think they were called like painter's jeans or something. But anyway, that is all I have today. I'm sure I'm going to find more pieces of clothing items and stuff I haven't worn yet. I know I haven't done a bunch of shoes I haven't worn yet over here, and I got to finish organizing this and clean this mess up and putting winter stuff away and everything. But yeah, it's taking me a while. I like to procrastinate when it comes to that because I don't want to do it. But anyway, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Please let me know if you like videos like this. I do love fashion. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. My dog is barking. And I shall see you guys next time. Bye.